Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate line chart in Tableau. For this, let us go in the canvas of Tableau. For generating line chart, it is necessary that you select the time element in it. Let me select order date from here and drop it into the columns. Let us pick up sales from measures and put it in the rows. You can see the line chart is ready. Change this view and make it the entire view. Select the entire view. Now in this tab, two buttons are active. One, the plus sign, and this is the drop down menu. So I'll insist that you go in this drop down menu and select the quarter. Please generate the graph according to the quarter. Press on. And you can see the graph has been generated according to the quarter. Now, if I want the graph according to the month, again go back and select month. You can see it generates the graph according to the month. You can again go back and make it year. And I want this line chart according to the region. So I'll select the region from here and I'll drop it here before the year. And you can see 4 different line charts has been generated of the sales according to the year. This is 2018 to 2021. What is the sales in central zone, east zone, south zone, and west zone? I can also drop region before the sales and it will generate the different type of output. So let us skip this thing here only. Now I can select one more dimension from here, for example, category, and I can drop it before the sales and it will generate. You can say the 12 outputs. Furniture sales in central zone, furniture sales in east zone. So what is the trend we can see from here? Now press Ctrl Z to undo the previous changes which we have made. If I want to include the measure in this, for example, I want to include the profit. 3 options are available. I can drop profit in color, size, or label. Let us see the output in all 3 scenarios. So you can see here the dark line depicts the profit and the light is the profits are low. Press Ctrl Z. Now again I can pick up the profit and put it in the sizes. So wherever the line is thick, we can say that the profits are high. And where the line is, you can say thin, profits are lesser. Press Ctrl Z. Now pick up again profit from here and drop it in the label. So you can get the text also. Now from label, I can select the orientation of the text. So if I want, I can change the font size from here, 15. I can make this, I can change the color from here. I can make it bold, italic. Moreover, I can change the orientation also. That is, if I want to make, rather I'll pick up this side, up. So this is a way you can generate the line chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter.